In the previous sessions of this class, we've been talking about searching authority records for subject headings. This week, we're going to take a little bit closer look at some of the functions of the authority records and the components of authority records. Basically, there are 4 functions of authority records. One of them is to give the authorized subject heading or refer users to the authorized subject heading. And we've seen this before. For example, in the first one, the authorized subject heading is given in bold for knitting. But in the second one, this is an example of an authority record that refers you to the authorized subject heading. If you look up bikes, you're referred to either bicycles or motorcycles. The second function of authority records is to indicate whether or not a heading can be subdivided geographically. And we saw this in our last session when we were talking about subdivisions. So you can see that this record has a note that says may subdivide geographically. Now the next 2 functions of authority records we're going to talk about in a little bit more detail in the coming videos, and they are to give a scope note when needed to explain what is covered by the heading, and to indicate a heading's relationship to other headings. And we'll talk about these in a little bit more detail in the rest of this week.